We've just received a SodaStream Terra through the post, and with these you can make carbonated drinks, water or juice or whatever you want. So let's have a look at it. Now I'm going to get some nice clean drinking water. We have not particularly nice water here. It is 569 ppm, 570 even, which is pretty grim. But we have a 5-stage RO unit, which brings that down 37 ppm. Lovely tasting drinking water. If you want to see a video about how I fit the 5-stage RO unit underneath our kitchen, under the kick plate there, out of the way so it doesn't take up room in our kitchen, then click on this video and you can have a look at that. And then I believe all I need to do is this. This is the first time I've ever done this in my life, so I don't really know how long I need to do it for. But that should be about right, so let's give it a taste. Excellent. Probably a little bit on the too fizzy side for my taste, so next time I'll just press the button not quite as long. So the pros of this SodaStream Terra are it doesn't need any power, you don't need to plug it in or anything. It's just a mechanically operated little machine, and it's relatively cheap to buy. Now the reason they do that is because they have their proprietary system with the bottles. So this is not a normal bottle, it's got a special kind of quick fit adapter to it. So they make the money on the refills of these cylinders. They're about 12 euros in this area to have a cylinder refilled, and apparently that makes about 60 litres of fizzy water. However, I believe it's possible to buy a little adapter which goes in there, and then you can fit all kinds of different larger bottles. So that is an option if somebody's really specifically wanting to spend as little as possible. It is possible to come up with workarounds, but for us, for the time being, we're just happy with this. And yeah, this could be a potentially very good gift for somebody because it's quite a unique thing. You can make, of course, not just fizzy water, but you can add kind of fruit juices and things to this, the concentrated juices that you can buy, and then you can make fizzy drinks of all different flavours. I'd be curious to know if you knew of the existence of these carbonation machines. I actually didn't know myself until quite recently, and I'd be curious to know who knew about these and who didn't. So drop a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in drinking and cooking with water which isn't full of chlorine, fluoride, lead and all sorts of other rubbish, then check out the other video for the 5-stage RO filtration. It's really good. We don't have to buy bottled water at all now anymore, which is a really big thing for us. So yeah, if you're interested in that, check out the other video, and for anyone else, I will see you in another video in the future. And until then, don't forget, never bow down to tyranny and love life.